Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to transfer money from the Nedbank app to Capitec. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Nedbank app and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, select Transact. From there, choose Pay. Next, select Single Payment. At this point, you can either select a saved recipient or add a new one. If you are adding a new recipient, enter their name and surname. Then choose from the available payment options and select Bank Account. Next, select the bank, which in this case is Capitec. After that, the payment method, such as standard EFT. You can also choose to save the recipient if needed. Then continue to the next step. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Add your reference and the recipient's reference if required. Review all the payment details carefully, then confirm the payment using your app authentication. After the confirmation, the money will be sent to the Capitec account. And that is it. That's how to transfer money from the Nedbank app to Capitec. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.